My name is Carrie, I'm so very fly, oh my, it's a little bit scary. Boys wanna marry, looking at my dairy. Hey, you can stare, but if you touch it, I'm a berry. Pretty as a picture, sweeter than a swisher. Mad cause I'm cuter than the girl that's with you. I don't gotta talk about it, baby, you can see it. But if you won't, I'll be happy to repeat it. My name is Carrie, I'm so very fly, oh my, it's a little bit scary. Boys wanna marry, looking at my dairy. Hey, you can stare, but if you touch it, I'm a berry. Pretty as a picture, sweeter than a swisher. Mad cause I'm cuter than the girl that's with you. We can talk about it cause I know that I'm pretty. And if you know it too, then baby, sing it with me. Oh, I don't leave it all again. No question that this girl's a 10. Don't hate me cause I'm beautiful. Don't hate me cause I'm beautiful. I walk my tongue the way I trip. It's not my fault, so please don't trip. Don't hate me cause I'm beautiful. Don't hate me cause I'm beautiful.
Good morning, y'all. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome if you're new here. My name is Sarah and I'm a mama of 3. Here on my channel, you'll find lots of motherhood content, vlogs, cleaning motivation, and more. If that's something that you're into, then definitely subscribe. Hey, y'all. Y'all, I know y'all see my hair. I literally washed my hair last night. I let it air dry. I did put some leave-in conditioner in it. And this is what it's looking like. I don't know how I feel about my curls. I mean, they're still giving, you know. They look alright. But for the past, I want to say 5-6 months, I've been putting a lot of heat in my hair. I've been working with, different brands. They've been sending me their little heated tools, their hot combs, their flat irons, all their devices or whatever. Not devices. All of their heated hair tools. I've been using them, and y'all, I haven't really worn my natural curly hair out in a long time. I didn't put no gel or nothing in it. This is just air dry with leave-in conditioner. This is what it's looking like. Yeah. Anywho, she's kicking my seat, y'all. Anywho, I just dropped off homegirl Ari at school. AJ is home today. He's having his little stomach issues. We go through this bi-weekly where I have to give him a laxative, and you already know what a laxative does. So he's been home all week. Today is Wednesday, by the way. I'm about to go into this Harris Teeter. I need to get some more wipes because, yeah, he's blown through all the wipes. Do y'all hear her kicking my seat? But yeah, we're going to go in here and get some wipes, I think some diaper cream, and get some coffee. That's the only reason why I came to Harris Teeter, is to get some coffee, some Starbucks. Let's go in here. Let's get back to the house. I have a lot to do today. I have a lot of cleaning to do, laundry to do. I need to clean out the refrigerator. Am I going to clean the bathroom? I don't know. Probably not. It needs to be clean though. Luckily, we have our cleaners coming next week to clean, the bathroom, to do the deep clean of the house, the bathrooms, the kitchen, a really good deep clean, because y'all, pregnancy is kicking my butt right now. I am just so winded. I am 6 months pregnant, by the way. I feel like I don't really talk about my pregnancy on here since I've been back to YouTube. I'm 6 months pregnant with baby number 4. If you are new here, we do not know the gender. We are not finding out the gender until birth. We've done this for the last 2 pregnancies. I am praying for a boy. I believe I'm having a boy because literally my son, my 4-year-old son, has been my biggest headache this entire pregnancy. When I talk about me and him have been butting heads for the past 6 months. It's been bad, y'all. It's been real bad. On top of that, every time I go somewhere, people always ask me, oh my God, are you having a boy? It looks like you're having a boy. Your stomach is sitting so low, the way it's shaped, you're definitely having a boy. I'm like, yes, let's speak it into existence, y'all, because mama wants another boy. I have 2 girls and a boy right now, so another boy will be just great. We'll just even it out. But anywho, let's go into this Harris Teeter real quick. Somebody's staring at me. Let's go into this Harris Teeter real quick. We gotta get what we gotta get. Goodness gracious. And head on back to the house. Wanna say good morning? Good morning. Say hi to my friends. Let's go. Y'all, it is freezing out here. Why is it this cold for April? It don't make no sense. Here. If you don't know, now you know. We are a Huggies family. I only buy Huggies wipes and Huggies diapers, pull-ups, all that. Huggies brand. So we got the wipes and we got the diaper cream. That is everything. Let's go check out.
Welcome. Place your item in the bag. To take your receipt. Thank you.
Hey y'all, so we're back in the house. I have a lot of like housework to get done. I'm about to go switch out the laundry, knock out these little bit of dishes I got in here, and then prep for dinner. Tonight we're having pork chops. So I'm gonna go ahead and season this meat right here, season these pork chops, and then have that marinating throughout the day. And then that's what we're having for dinner. I do need to clean out the refrigerator. We'll see if I get that done. But let's go switch out this laundry real quick. Whew! It's always a win when you open up the dryer and there's nothing inside. So I can easily throw these clothes in here and then start another load. So all done doing the laundry. I need to go ahead and unload the dishwasher, reload the dishwasher, and then we're gonna prep dinner. Y'all, why am I out of breath? I am out of breath from just doing the most simplest task. Let's go ahead and get this work done. So I just made Ava some lunch. She's having some ham, tomatoes with salt and pepper on it, and some little chips. Let's see how much she eats today. So while Ava's eating her little lunch right there, I'm about to clean up this little bit of mess that she made while I was making her lunch. But before I do that, I want to show y'all my new plants I got. Mama Sarah, the plant mama. So I got these plants from Publix the other day. It was buy one, get one free. It was only $30, y'all. It came in a little pot, a little plant. And I was like, well, I want to put it out here, make it look, you know, more put together. Slowly getting it together. The wind must have blew this down. Let's put this back over here. These are little mats. They're little water mats. I don't know why that's there, but okay. But yes, look at my plants. Isn't it so cute? Hopefully I can keep it alive. If you know anything about plants, definitely let me know how much water, how much sunlight it needs. Should I water it every single day or every other day? Definitely let me know. Here's plant 1 and plant 2. Ooh. So I had got these from Publix the other day too. It was buy one, get one free. We ate the other one the first day. I'm gonna go ahead and pop these in the oven and eat this as a little snack. Hey y'all, it's a little later. I just put the kids down for a nap. Y'all, I was about to lay on that couch and take me a little nap too. But then hubby was like, our favorite food truck is at the food truck place or whatever, and I should go get us some sandwiches. And the big back in me got up so quick, and now I'm about to go get us a little Philly cheesesteak. If you don't know, like, we live in the country. We live in the country. Literally, the nearest anything is like 20-25 minutes away. You got to pass the horses, the cows, the sheep, the goats to get there. So, There's this little like town hall, not town hall, what is it, town, one of them like little town, I was about to say corner store, but it's not a corner store. I guess it could be a corner store. It's equivalent to a corner store, if you know what I'm talking about. And like food trucks come there all the time. So like today, our favorite food truck is gonna be there. So let's just head over there and get us a little sandwich and get back to the house and take us a little nap before we have to get Ari from school. Let's go. Got the goods. Let's see what it's looking like. I got a small little sub, got hubby a large sub. Let's get home and eat this. You're welcome. So I'm back, y'all. Got my little sandwich. I didn't realize how small it was. This is real small. I should have got the large. I don't know what I was thinking. Yes, let's see. Ooh, I'm excited, y'all. Look how good that looks. I should have got a large. My big bag knew we should have got a large. Go ahead and take a bite of this. Y'all, it's hot. It is seasoned so well.